Hello everyone, welcome to QuintEdge. This is CFRM Yash Jan. Till yesterday I was not planning to make this video, but one of my relative called me and asked me one question that kind of forced me to make this video. And that question was, my son is about to complete his engineering. Post-COVID, he have been very much interested into capital markets. So should he pursue CFA? And many of you have asked this question repeatedly in some or other form, maybe via personal calls or maybe via forum, via emails, but I never addressed it via video. So this is one video in which I'll be addressing CFA after engineering. Should you do it or not? Okay, so firstly, let me give you structure for the video. Firstly, let us discuss, does it make sense to do CFA after engineering, number one? Then, is CFA difficult, especially for engineers? Someone who is coming from non-commerce background, is CFA difficult for that person? And number three, it ultimately boils down to how much I'll earn. Okay, so let me address this question one by one. So let's move ahead. Firstly, let us discuss, does CFA make sense? So you have to answer for yourself. I'll give you a structure. Categorize yourself. Are you a good engineer who is interested in learning about finance? This could be one category of student. And answer is yes. Don't even watch this video. You should go and prepare for CFA exams because you are interested in learning about finance and ultimately you can make career out of it. Now, there are some people who are not really good at engineering. Whatever is the reason, some have justifiable reasons, some are not, like some reasons are not justifiable. It's perfectly fine. If you're a bad engineer and you love capital markets, stock markets, bond market, transactions, all these IPOs coming out, that is, you're interested in finance, you're curious about knowing things related to finance, then you should be going for this course. But there are some people who are bad engineers because they made a bad choice of selecting engineering. Now, they are looking for escapism. They want to escape engineering, and finance is a buzzword, investment banking, equity research, cryptocurrency, stock markets, all these are buzzwords. So they are escaping engineering and trying finance. Don't try it. Firstly, discover, do you love this particular subject or not? In case you already have love for it, then only go for it. If in case you are just coming here to try it, I'll suggest you no need to pay anyone any money. Neither any coaching institute nor CFA institute. Go for maybe some very short-term course in finance or maybe just browse through a couple of YouTube videos. And if in case that interests you, then only plan CFA exams. So, if in case you are a good engineer and you want to learn about finance, please do it. We need such students who are really good at what they do and now they are trying to explore other fields as well. And I'm pretty sure you will be doing good in finance as well. If you're a bad engineer, and this is not because you made a bad choice, you just selected engineering without interest, you are a bad engineer maybe because of some circumstances, and now finance interests you, then please go and join CFA. But if you're trying to escape engineering and you're trying finance, don't do it. So does it make sense? I'm sure I've given you the answer. Now moving ahead, is CFA difficult for engineers? Answer is yes, it is very difficult, very tough. One of the toughest finance exam because it is one of the most recognized finance degree. So it is worth it because it is tough. If it was easy, there would be no prestige attached to getting CFA charter holder, right? So is it tough? Yes. I can even remove this word. Is it difficult? Oops. Is it difficult? I can just cancel out for engineers. The answer will still be yes. Is it difficult? For a person, let's say, who have completed their BCom or BBA from tier 1, tier 2 college, then also it is difficult. Now, if in case you have done some professional course like say chartered accountancy or maybe you have completed your MBA in finance, then it becomes relatively easy, but still it is a tough course to be in. Now moving ahead, where engineers will have their edge, okay? So see, these are the 10 subjects we have to study. I'll just quickly name them. Ethics and professional standards. This is the core of CFA level 1, level 2. When you are dealing with someone else's money, you can't be unethical. You can't be unethical even about some $1,000, right? Then quantitative methods, economics, FSA, and corporate issuers. These 4 subjects are something called as investment tools. You will use these tools to analyze investments and invest in these asset classes: equity, that is stock market, fixed income, bonds, FDs, derivatives, and alternate investments, cryptos, private equity, hedge funds, commodities, all these things. And then you combine all these investments into one portfolio. Now, where commerce students have edge, they've already learned economics in 11th, 12th, and maybe in their college. They've already learned about financial statement analysis. This is accounting analysis. They've learned accounting. They've not learned about the analysis, but still they are pretty comfortable with it. And if in case you have done some professional course, maybe CA Inter, you might be very comfortable with corporate issuers. But these subjects, equity investments, fixed income, derivatives, alternate, and portfolio, this is new for all, irrespective whether you are having commerce background or you are having engineering background, right? So where you will have edge over other commerce student is this subject, quantitative methods, because this is quants, statistics, mean, median, mode, measures of dispersion. Then you learn about normal distribution, hypothesis testing, regression, time series analysis, regression diagnostic. All these things are done over here. Commerce students have not dealt this in detail, but you have done it, right? So yes, they have slight edge, but can you overcome edge of these 2-3 subjects if in case you are given enough time? You are an engineering student, you can do it, okay? Now moving ahead, what if I do CFA, how much will I earn? These estimates are broadly the data that we have received over the years, and you can cross-verify it with other job portals as well. And this is slightly on the lower side. So median CFA salary after completing level 1 will be 5 to 8 lakh rupees. So even if you complete engineering, generally this is the salary that if in case you sit in your placements, you will get, right? So CFA level 1, 5 to 8 lakh. CFA level 2, it is around 8 to 12 lakh rupees. So slightly on higher side, right? If in case you invest, let's say 8 months and complete level 2, within 8 months, it becomes difficult to get this kind of jump, right? And then after CFA level 2, to be true, sky is the limit. CFA Institute did some survey last year and median salary was around 40 lakh something. I don't remember exactly. I'll attach the link to that particular article in the description. But this is on the lower side. At least expect around 12, 13, 14 lakh rupees after completing CFA level 3 and having 2-3 years of work experience. Basically, you become a charter holder. Okay. So this is the median salary. So I hope I am able to address the query that you had. Should you go for CFA after engineering? So that's it for this video. Till next time. Bye-bye.